So when Christmas comes and Kenny asks him where his gift's at, sir, I am the gift. Look at me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. It is also another edition of WIGMAS, and we're collabing with another one of my wig baes. If you do not know her, let me go ahead and introduce you to Cassie, that girl. Hey Cassie. Y'all, this is one of my girls, my boo things, and I love her to death. We are both giving you guys a synthetic slate on a budget, and I'm here for it, okay? Do y'all see the look she's giving, okay? Sold you with a side of innocence. Naughty, but nice. Naughty. So I will put her video down below so you guys can check that out. Make sure you do so after you check out my video and tell her that RaShon sent you. Now before we get into my unit, if you are here from Cassie's channel, first of all, hey, hello, welcome. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future, okay? Let's go ahead and get into this look, shall we? Let's go. Okay, y'all already know. You already know how I feel, but let's go ahead and get into it first, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it, all right? So this unit comes from Zury Sis. It is a part of their Beyond Your Imagination series. This is the unit BYD Lace H Water Wave. I got her in the color 99J, and she does retail for $37.94 on the site that I use, okay? Depending on the site you buy her from, her price may be a little bit different, but for the site that I got, which is the link that I will use for you guys, that is how much the unit costs for me. This unit does come with lace from ear to ear that you need to cut off, a deep center part, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I would say this unit is about in the center it fits more big head associate. However, now that I have it turned to the side, it's fitting more big head friendly. I don't know what that's about. Maybe just how the unit is cut or whatever. My sides was showing with the middle part, but they're not really showing on the, you know, on the side parts. Now it doesn't say what kind of fiber this hair is, but I would assume it's like a, you know, a premium fiber unit because it is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I didn't use no heat on my unit though for the look that I wanted. However, you can use heat if you plan on going into it, refresh the curls or to clean your unit. Use heat or hot water up to 400 degrees. Don't go over that because it will change the curl texture of your unit. The hair texture as a whole does feel really soft. It's not scratchy. Zury Sis usually has, you know, good fibers for that unit. So, you know, I'm here for that. And what I'm especially here for is what? Go ahead and tell me. Tell me what I'm here for, sis. The color. Y'all know you know I love me a 99J, y'all. And the 99J on this unit is bomb, okay? They even have the highlights and the lowlights in this unit. How they did this in a synthetic wig, I will never know. But y'all, do y'all see this color? Do you see the color? It's not just a flat 99J. And guess what? It's a dupe for the human hair Asteria hair wig that I did a couple months ago. The big burgundy joint that I did the twist out in that y'all really like, but the price point just wasn't hitting for some of y'all. Under $40. Under $40. Okay, so if you wanted that wig but that was too much for you, here you go, sis. And I want to give a special shout out to my girl Jessica, aka Wigs and Wanderlust. Y'all, she is the reason I got this unit. I was up late one night perusing the streets of YouTube and I came across her video and I was like, excuse me? I had no idea about this unit. Y'all, she slayed that unit and I was blown away. I went and purchased that joint at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yes, late night shopping. Don't judge me. So Jessica, thank you so much. Thank you, because woo! I will put her video down below so you guys can check that out. Definitely go over there and say thank you from RaShon to her because she did that. She is the reason y'all are seeing this right now. Now, yes, it does have a synthetic quality to it, so it will not last you as long as the human hair joint. However, you can still get the same look on a budget for that unit. And y'all, do y'all see these curls? Let me come closer. Look at the curls, y'all. Look how the curls are popping on through. Do you see this? I turned on my ring light so you guys can see this really quick because it may have been a little bit dark. I don't know. But y'all, I did get a little bit of shedding and tangling with this unit, but that's only because I went through, like I said, and teased through my unit and fluffed her up. Now, as you saw in the put down, I was kind of going back and forth with how I wanted to lay the front of the unit because it does come with baby hairs. I did go in and pull some of them out, and then I kind of cut some of them and just kind of, you know, I was going through it, okay? And it's only because I was trying to figure out how I wanted my hairline to look. You guys know I got a lot of forehead space, so I got a lot of room that I need to work with when I'm doing my wigs to make them look a little bit more natural for me. It's a blessing and a curse. She just looks so good. She just looks so good. Ooh. Wait, I'm not gonna hold you like my girl Shannon said because I want y'all to get, now my smoke detector going off. Stop hating smoke detectors. It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. It looks so good, y'all. If you are someone who is scared to try color, first of all, get a wig because you can try it on and take it off if you don't like it. And second, try a 99J. You may not want to step into the blonde immediately. You may need to go a little bit darker. And the 99J, y'all, is perfect, okay? It's perfect. I am here for this unit. She looks so good, y'all. She looks, let me turn around, This is how she's looking to the side. And then this is how she is looking to the back. Movement, yes. Y'all, this is gonna be my Christmas wig. Who is going to check you at Christmas? Nobody. So when Christmas comes and Kenny asks him where his gift's at, sir, I am the gift. Look at me. I can't get it. She looks so good. She looks so good. I'm here for her. Jessica. Thank you, okay? Thank you, sis. I am the gift. Oh, goodness gracious. Kitty must be pissed. Where are my presents? I'm just joking, babe. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out to me for getting this unit. Shout out to Jessica for putting me on. And shout out to Cassie for collabing with your girl, okay? Make sure you check out Cassie's video. It will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.